Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can or actually cannot customize, because as you can see, we cannot set it manually. It is because we are using automatic options for the time zone and the time. So first of all, we have to turn them off, and then we can pick or tap on the time. We can select the date just by swiping and confirming with OK. The same situation with the time, just swipe and tap on OK. It will be immediately applied to the status bar. Alright, we can change the time zone also, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available ones, so just find yours and tap on it. Let me randomly pick this one, and as you can see, it will be applied. However, be aware of course that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format, which is right now automatic. However, you can always decide whether you want to use 12-hour or 24-hour format just by tapping on particular option. And the dual clock, which simply means that if you will use this option, then your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the hour of the location in which you're currently in, and the second one with the time from any other place in the world of your choice. So as you can see, in my case it is New York. Alright, so basically that will be all. Of course, if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the date and time in this POCO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.